Love this guy. Amazing. I mean, how can you not? He's just so good. Man, sick drop. All right. Really want to talk about MSTR today. Like, listen to this music was just amazing because it fired me up on MicroStrategy, which is a huge company that has invested in a digital space, and it invested a lot in Bitcoin. So when you see Bitcoin, $54,824 right now, and I mean 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, it was like 42,000. So anytime you see a climb in Bitcoin, you automatically are going to see MicroStrategy move, and so really cheaper way, I guess, of really investing in Bitcoin, but not really indirectly in Bitcoin. But I'm going to show you really quickly here. So I'm using, by the way, TradingView, which is a platform that is super cool. It has really easy indicators and really easy bot that I was able to install as well. Man, the music is too loud, too good. But I use a lot of different indicators, but mainly look at the EMA ribbon right now. So anytime it's above the EMA ribbon, it's on a bullish signal going up higher. But look at the daily right now. So I'm going to show you the bigger picture first. But I have this big blue symmetrical wedge, and then I have a smaller one, a yellow one here that it actually broke out of, and this is what we're going to focus on today. So if you look at it, here's the daily here's the daily candles, right? And look at this symmetrical wedge right here. It broke out of it already, and really now, honestly, it's going towards this direction because the base of this wedge is potentially the high point of this incline. So let's look at some of the indicators to help us support, our vision or what we're seeing. But look at the stochastic right now. It's still above the dotted line, which is good. It has not pointed down, which is amazing on the daily, so that's still bullish. RSI is pointing up, and then the squeeze momentum is green. Let me move my mouse. You see in the bottom green, building green right now, which is amazing. So on the daily, looking hella bullish right now, which is awesome. And it's still above the MA ribbon, so this is really good. So now let's look at the 4-hour window. 4-hour, it's still a buy signal right now, which is good. A lot of volume, a lot more volume than here, which is amazing, right? It's still above the dotted line pointing upward. It has not pointed down. Good. RSI, same thing. It's still pointing up. It has not pointed down. And the green is building up pressure right now on the squeeze momentum. So again, if you have 4, 5, 6 signals, 5 out of 6, 6 out of 6 telling you it's up, 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 then it's potentially going to go up, up, up. This is not a financial advice. This is just me having fun doing it. And honestly, it's cool. It's really cool and like the fact that, I see what I'm doing and then I go back and see that it actually like worked. Like it's just amazing. It's really amazing. It's mind blowing sometimes. So that's my goal is to really like just share my knowledge, share what I'm seeing, and make money while you're at it, right? So let's look at the hourly just to give us another confirmation. Again, it's above the MA ribbon, amazing. The bot still fired to buy a lot of volume. It still has not pointed down on the stochastic and the RSI both. They're way overbought right now, but still pointing up. And so the squeeze momentum, the squeeze up right now is build pressure. Now I see releasing pressure, but it's not dropping because it just hit another resistance right here at the 7, looks like 714 actually. It hit it. But again, all these indicators are telling us that it's going to go up. The only thing that really I'm waiting on to give us even like a more of a confirmation is that buy signal bot right here, because the MA cross happened, which is a moving average. So when the moving average happens, you see that star right there. Right here, let me click on it. You see it right there. So when the star happens, that means the moving average has hit, and now it's going to start moving downward. And look, let me hide the MA ribbon so you can see what I'm talking about. Here's a star. It's kind of hidden under one of the candles. Right there. You see it? Boom, right there. So when the MA cross happened, the moving average happened, that means it's going to start going downward. And look, ooh, it took like a really steep one, right? Like way steep. So MA cross, it did fire a signal. It told me that it's going all the way down, and now look, the MA cross just happened again. So when the MA cross happens again, that means it's going upward, but the buy signal hasn't fired yet. So it fired a buy on the hourly, it fired a buy on the 4 hourly. I just needed to actually fire a buy now on the daily. And once it does, look, I mean, all the indicators are green, all the indicators are up. So I'm super excited about MicroStrategy. And I really believe that it's going to hit the 900 range. It's just a matter of when. But I'll tell you another bullish signal here. And I colored it different colors so you can see it. But that blue line is the bigger triangle. So I have two symmetrical ones. I have the big blue one and I have the smaller yellow one. And so it broke out of the yellow. And now if it breaks out of the blue, oh gosh, let me do the actual base of it so you can see the potential. So here's the base of it. I'm going to draw it live with you right now. We're just going to use this distance. And let's say broke out of it right here. Oh my gosh, it's going to hit the 200 range. So, but again, I don't know when that's going to happen or if it's going to happen, but I'll tell you when it will happen. It will happen as soon as these daily signals or daily candles go above this bluer. And if it does break that bigger one, then MicroStrategy is literally going to go there. It's just a matter of when, time-wise and date-wise, but I will definitely keep track of it, and I love MicroStrategy as well, so you're definitely going to see videos. Please subscribe. I love what I'm doing. I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm just sharing something really cool. That I learned. I learned the hard way because in the beginning of the year, I was just buying whatever, and one day I looked and I was like down $9,000, and I kept thinking to myself, I'm like, I don't know what the hell I'm doing. So I took a course from a guy, actually, Stock Guru, amazing guy with technicals, and I'm applying honestly what I learned from him. I love it. He's a very humble dude, and I want to pass it forward, honestly. But it's really really cool, and I hope you guys like it. Please like, subscribe, and I will definitely continue to do it because this is honestly helping me and doing me a favor by holding me accountable as well, because I think it's given me a bigger commitment to it. You know what I mean? Because I enjoy doing it. I love it. So anyway, enjoy, happy holidays, and I'll see you guys later. Peace. My God, get it sick. Peace.